iklo ho, ang pangalawa sa cause ng aksidente. Pero riders, what responsible riding is all about.
Everybody rides during riding season. They ride the different bikes for different reasons. Once you get on, it's hard to get off. If you go down, I hope you lay her down soft. If you don't ride, then you don't know where I've been and where I go. It's all about the freedom of the open road. We see more through my sunglass lens than you'll ever see in your Mercedes Benz. It's time to feel the freedom of the open road. Open the throttle and roll.
Na hindi lang safety seminar ang amin advocacy. Ang advocacy namin is responsible riding.
Ito hong relay na ito ay mag-uugnay sa 25 selected cities sa ating buong kapuluan. At yun hong idea at mensahe ng road safety ay atin hong ipararating.
It's in our blood, it's in our soul. It's all about the healing you get from the open road. Along the